Good morning, students. Myself, Savita Alfred, welcomes you e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Bettia. In my previous video, I have taught you Unit 2 poem The Dust of Snow and its question answer. Today, I am going to teach you Unit 3 The Starting Point. Before starting the story, let me introduce the real hero of this chapter. This chapter is about Milkha Singh. As you all know, Milkha Singh, also known as the Flying Sikh, is a former Indian track and field sprinter. Field sprinter means an athlete. He represented India in the Commonwealth Games in 1958 and the Summer Olympic Games of 1956, 1960 and 1964. As a child, he used to run 10 kilometers to school and back. So running long distances came naturally to him. In his youth, he joined the army, where he has introduced to running as a sport. Having found his calling on the track, Milkha Singh went on to win several accolades for India at various international events. He is best remembered for his fourth place finish in the 400 meters final at the 1960 Olympic Games. His fourth place time of 45.73 seconds became the Indian national record then and was held for almost 40 years. As we have seen movie Bhag based on Milkha Singh. He has represented India in Commonwealth Games in 1938 and 3 Summer Olympic Games that was held in the year 1956, 1960 and 1964. He is always remembered for his fourth place that he got in 400-meter finals at the Olympic Games. At the Olympic Games, he made the Indian national record and that was held for almost 40 years and the timing was 45.73 seconds. So let's start this chapter with the word meaning. Recruit means a person who has recently joined the armed forces. Roll call means calling out the list of names of recruits to check who is there. Exempted means excused from doing a particular duty. Fatigue duty means duties such as cleaning and cooking carried out in fatigues, that is loose clothes instead of uniforms. Sense of mission means a feeling that he was doing a very important task. A big treat means something that is pleasant and enjoyable, especially because it comes as part of celebration. Great want and deprivation means the situation of not having something due to lack of money. Sabash means a word in Hindi which means well done. Overwhelmed means felt sudden strong emotions. Taciturn means reserved, someone who does not speak much. No nonsense means serious and direct. His tough exterior hid his softer, gentler side. Means he appeared to be very strict and harsh, although he was not really like that. Prodding means gently urging them to run faster. Danda means a word in Hindi which means stick. Regiment means a unit of soldiers in the army made up of several smaller groups. Instrumental means playing an important role in getting something done or achieving something. Cross country means across fields or open country and not on roads or on a track. Cynosure means a person who is the focus of everyone's attention. Have have an air of power and prestige means they seemed very important and much respected and admired by others. Eureka moment means the time when he realized what he wanted to become in life. The word eureka comes from Greek and means I have found it. The use of the word refers to the exclamation by Archimedes, who after a long period of study discovered a method to detect the purity of gold in the crown of the king. Solomon means sincere. Privilege means an opportunity they were very proud about. The procedures and the technicalities means the rules of the race and the processes that should be followed before the race. Disheartened means having lost hope or confidence. Barracks means a group of buildings in which soldiers live. A rule of thumb means a practical way based on experience, though it may not be technically correct. Anticipated means expected, known to be likely. Grooming means his training to become a world class athlete. So let's start our chapter. 3 fortunate incidents that occurred in January 1953 when I was a new recruit in the army changed the course of my life. After the morning roll call one Saturday, there was an announcement that a 6-mile race was to be held the next day. All 500 recruits would participate in this event. The top 10 would be exempted from fatigue duty and be given a glass of milk every day during the training period. The explanation of this paragraph is 3 fortunate incidents that occurred in January 1953. 3 fortunate. Fortunate means lucky, or 3 positive incidents that happened in January 1953. When I was a new recruit. Recruit means a person who has recently joined the armed forces. When he joined the armed forces in the army, changed the course of my life. It has changed the life of Milkha Singh. After the morning roll call one Saturday. On Saturday, after the morning roll call. Roll call means calling out the list of names recruits to check who is there. Means after attendance, there was an announcement. What was the announcement? The announcement was that a 6-mile race was to be held the next day, and they all 500 recruits would participate in this event. So all 500 recruits have to participate in this event, and the recruit who will get between 1st to 10th position, they would be exempted. Exempted means excused from doing a particular duty. Means we all know when someone joins army, they have the army has given them some particular duties such as cleaning and cooking. So they would be exempted, means they would not have to do this daily duty. Fatigue duty means such as cleaning or cooking carried out in fatigues, that is loose clothes instead of uniform. So they would not have to do these duties, and they will get a glass of milk daily during the training period. So these were the rewards when they will get top 10 position. So students, today I have taught you word meaning of this chapter, and I explained 2 paragraphs of this chapter. So write down the word meanings and learn it. Thank you.